You need 1 cup elderberry syrup, 1/4 cup gelatin powder, and 1/2 cup hot water. Mix in cool elderberry syrup with the gelatin powder first, and then after you're done, you add the hot water. Then after you add the hot water, you add the remaining half of your elderberry syrup, and then you put it in your molds. It's really easy. I got tired and I put the rest into these, and it worked as well. When they came out after 2 hours from the fridge, I just cut them up. So you can try that as well if you don't have molds or you get tired filling in those things. This is what I did. And that's that. So I just wanted to share with you. I don't have a really long video because I was filming as well as I was holding the camera as well as doing this. So this is what I have for you today. Thanks for watching. The recipe in the comments.